Hi guys, today we'll be starting a series where we'll be discussing a few questions that are relevant from our CAT, VARC as well as the OMIT point of view. OMIT in our language is the vocabulary that we use for other management entrance tests, and a staple question that you find in these questions is what we call the analogy question, right? So in an analogy question, first of all, let me give you an overview of what exactly happens. In an analogy question, we are given some kind of a relation between two words and we have to find an equivalent pair that sort of replicates the same kind of relation. So as you can see, there is a basic pair given there, tacit is to implied, and then in the question you have a pair of something related to inferior. Now when you're going to try and establish a relation between the pairs, the first and foremost step that you need to take is you have to first and foremost identify what is the relation between the base words that are given. So the base words that are given, they carry a relation of one word explaining the meaning of the other. In general parlance, when you say that something is tacit, it means that that thing is implied. Implied का क्या मतलब होता है? It is not stated explicitly, but that is automatically understood. So the second word is actually an explanation of the meaning of the first word. Use that logic, look at inferior and put a word like inferior in the blank here. Right, so just running it quickly through, what is the strategy? Establish the relation between the base word. What is the relation between the base word pair? The relation between the base word pair is that when you say that something is tacit, you mean to say that that thing is implied or understood. Similarly, the other side of the equation, you have a meaning of inferior, right? So this word, whatever you put here, should be something that is related to inferior. Now, quick recap of the word meanings of all the words that we have. When you say that something has been done in a shoddy way, you mean to say that that thing has been done in a very reckless or careless kind of a way. So when something has been done in a reckless or careless kind of a way, the end product is not going to be of a very high quality. That's the first thing. Secondly, when you say that somebody is a taciturn person, you mean to say that that person is very quiet and habitually uncommunicative. तो जिसको ज़्यादा बातें करना अच्छा नहीं लगता, that kind of a person, someone who is habitually uncommunicative, that kind of a person is what we call a taciturn person, right? Now, a lot of people will go with this as the answer because they'll be like, udhar tacit hai to udhar taciturn hai, dono rhyme kar raha hai. That is called cognitive bias. Let us not give in to cognitive bias. Let us interpret words purely on the meaning of the words that they carry, right? Then comes the word forthright. If you're speaking in a manner that is forthright, you're speaking in a very matter of fact way. What is a matter of fact way? देखो facts को as it is present करते हो बिना distortion के, plain speak करते हो, that is called forthright speech. Then comes superior. Superior is something that is of a very high quality. Now if you say that something is of a very high quality and it is superior and you put this word here, superior or inferior में क्या relation बनेगा? The relation will be that of antonyms. Original pair is related or similar, not necessarily that of antonyms. So we can't say that this is the correct answer choice. Then comes the question with the word forthright in it. अगर forthright लगाते हो, one side of the equation you're talking about something that is matter of fact, the other side something that is inferior. Absolutely no relation between the two, hence can't be the answer. Then comes taciturn. If you put taciturn here, taciturn is to inferior. Once again, no relation. Looking at all the options, the best answer choice that we have here is the first one. Why is the first one the right answer? The first one is the right answer purely because of the fact that when you say that something has been done in a shoddy way, it has been done carelessly, it has been done haphazardly, and if it has been done in a way that is not of a very high quality or standard, thereby matching the description of inferior. I hope you were able to understand this question. We'll be doing more of analogy questions in our subsequent videos. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, in our videos we have tried to explain a few concepts to you, and I hope you have benefited from watching these videos. In case you enjoyed watching these videos, please feel free to like and share them. In case you have any queries, please feel free to get back to us in comments. We'd be very happy to help you out. Happy learning and thank you.